beauties, what's good, what's cooking? I hope everyone is doing great today. I hope you guys like my outfit. This, it says Brooklyn, New York. I hope you guys like it. I'm about to do something new, guys, and I really hope that you guys like it. Okay, I'm going to start doing shout outs in each of my videos, and if you want to participate in getting a shout out, leave a comment on my video and I'll give you guys a shout out both on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page. So if you all are up for that, go ahead and join this little challenge. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I've seen this product going around. I've been on Instagram on my phone scrolling and doing whatever I've been doing, and like this thing keeps popping up, so I decided to like give it a try. And I'm like, okay, let's try this. I don't know if it's going to work for my skin or not, but let's give it a try. If you are a makeup lover or you love to do your own makeup at home just for fun, you can watch this video and see what I'm about to unreveal to you guys. No further ado, let's jump right into this video and let's get it. Hey guys, so I have the product already in my hands, and this product is from IL Makiage. It's a highly profound company of makeup that produce makeup stuff, and I've seen this video. You probably seen many videos on YouTube doing this or whatever, but your girl is going to try this for the first time, and I'm going to be doing a part 2 to this video, showing you guys all the swatch work for my skin and if it matches my skin. I had to do a quiz showing you guys. Let me just hop on my phone and tell you guys what I put on. So I did do a quiz, and the quiz tells you, like, asks you questions about your skin type, if it's dry, oily, combination, sensitive, your skin tone, and what you use for your face, if you would like the product to be light or full coverage. It asks you a lot of different questions. I'm going to be showing you guys a little clip of their website here of the questions, and I'll be leaving their website down in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you want. You can purchase your products, or you can try the 14 days you can try out the 14-day trial and only pay $5 for shipping, and once you do that, it will come to you within 3 days. Yes, it took 3 days to reach to me. And if you want, you can purchase the product as well, but with the trial you can either send back the product, or you can either buy the product yourself, or it will take the money itself. Okay, now This is the box. Hold on, let me get a good image. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. It comes into this box. We're going to open it together, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to rip it all open, and okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, I don't know if y'all seen this. I don't know if you're all seeing it, but this is what it comes in. It says IL Makiage, New York, and I want to open it. Oh, okay. Okay, I want to open it so that we see it together. And okay, this is what inside of the box looks like. I don't know if y'all seeing it. Oh, this little paper said over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. And it gives you a list of how to apply the foundation, I guess. And on here it shows you how it works too. I did order the, guys, this looks so cute. Look at it. I don't know if y'all see it. Okay, there it is. You see that? It is really cute. Okay, I did order the foundation with the concealer, and I did got two free I got a brush. I don't know why I got two brushes, but I did get two free brushes as a gift. And yes, so let's talk about how the box is. The box is really nice, guys.